Covenant University has reaffirmed two of its most controversial policies in 2025 academic year begins, sparking mixed reactions across Nigerian's education space. In a statement released by the administration, the private Christian university announced that its long-standing ban on mobile phone usage by students remains firmly in place. According to the school, learners are prohibited from using mobile phones or any SIM-enabled devices while on campus. Only laptops, tablets, iPads, and cameras are allowed. So as long as they cannot connect via SIM card, the institution says the measure is aimed at reducing distractions and fostering a disciplined learning environment. In addition, Covenant University has also maintained its prohibition on cooking within student hostels. The administration stressed that students are not permitted to prepare their own meals in residence or instead all meals must be purchased exclusively through schools' cafeterias, which according to the university offer a wide variety of food options. With this policy reaffirmed, Covenant University continues to uphold its strict code of conduct even as parents and students debate whether such measures help or hinder modern learning. Thanks for watching.